KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 14th of January. I'm James Spann. Clouds linger today, rather chilly. Then a warm-up, rain at the end of the week and Saturday, and then the coldest air so far this season by Sunday and Monday. Let's take a look at things. Very interesting pattern, which typically is the case this time of the year. Got a zonal flow down here across the southern states, and clouds will linger a fairly decent part of the day today, probably not much sun. We are in the 30s and 40s to start the day over the northern half of the state. And again, for most locations, we won't get out of the 40s today, much like yesterday. South Alabama should see 50s. And around the nation, the coldest air up in upper New England and out in the Intermountain West, which you might expect. There's the watch warning map. The big snowstorm is over for the country that affected areas from Kansas City to Washington, D.C. over the past several days. Thunderstorms not happening today. No thunder anywhere across the contiguous United States, and we should be pretty quiet in that department for a while. But rain will come back later this week. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and again, wet for California. They're getting some very beneficial rain. Alabama's numbers, over 2 inches for the north, around 1 inch for the south. And we'll have a couple of batches of showers. The first will be on Thursday. The second will be Saturday, and most likely Saturday night, as you'll see. So let's walk you through the modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06C run at noon today. Zonal flow, cloudy and cool, highs in the 40s for North Alabama. And again, South Alabama should see 50s with some sun there. Tomorrow will be a brighter day. The sky partially sunny. Still pretty cool. The high only around 50. Areas north of Birmingham will likely stay in the 40s. Wednesday, partly sunny. And we'll probably see low to mid-50s, back to where we should be based on seasonal averages. Will be dry. Now, here comes a wave Thursday. That'll bring a chance of showers in here Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. Highs in the 50s. Don't think we see any surface-based instability. Probably no thunder. Rain amounts with that feature, I'd say maybe 1/2 inch. Now, Friday will be in between waves if this verifies. Friday would be dry with a partly sunny sky and pretty comfortable. We'll be close to 60 on Friday. More than likely, that's the warmest day of the next 7 days. And then Saturday, here comes a very dynamic system coming in here. And that's going to bring rain, most likely Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. But despite the dynamics involved here, I don't think we have any risk of severe weather. And again, probably not much, if any, thunder. And Saturday should be fairly mild with a high around 60. And again, another big snowstorm for St. Louis and Indianapolis and Cincinnati. Wow. Let's go to Saturday night at midnight. The surface low is near Greenville, South Carolina. And the snow continues into Pennsylvania, ultimately New York City and Boston. And we start to turn colder as a very strong gradient tightens up there on the backside of that surface low. And look at Sunday. I mean, it's going to be brutally cold. If this verifies, Sunday will be windy. The high only around freezing for Birmingham, north of Birmingham. They stay below freezing all day. And you factor in that wind, the wind chill index could be in the single digits much of the day. And there could be a few flurries late Saturday night or Sunday morning on the backside of this, but this is not any kind of an impact type event if we see flurries. But that will be a huge snow, almost a blizzard up there in the northeast United States. It's too early to be specific for our friends in New York City and Boston, but man, that could be a very, very high impact event up there. But again, the screaming message, that's the coldest air so far this season with a 10,040 millibar high nosing in here. We go to Monday, the trough is off the coast. Cold air settles in. By Monday morning, we'll be well down in the teens. And the high only around 40 to 42, something like that, despite a sunny sky. These are the anomalies on Monday. And again, very cold air covers the eastern half of the United States. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 23rd. Troughing to the west, we warm up and more rain pushes in here. And again, we stress on the European, the American model, there's no sign of any impact snow event for Alabama for the next 7 days. Although, again, there clearly could be some flurries late Saturday night or Sunday morning as the cold air rushes in. Now, this is coming straight off the GFS and the OZ run. And again, you can see the numbers creeping up towards 60 late this weekend over the weekend. And then, boom, it drops the high Sunday down to 31. Remember, we'll have a very strong north wind. And the GFS on this run has 18 on Monday morning. The 06E run has us down to 14. But that's almost pipe-bursting type weather. But then we creep back up with highs close to 50 by Wednesday of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.